Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video on how to learn Spanish. Hola chicos, hola chicas, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a otro video sobre cómo aprender español. My name is Stephanie Chavez and today I'm gonna teach you how to pronounce every letter and every vowel in the Spanish alphabet. Okay, let's begin. The right pronunciation of the vowels are gonna be A, E, I, O, U. Okay, one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Perfect. Very good. Some corrections here. It's not gonna be O or it's not gonna be U. It's O, U. O, U. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna learn the whole alphabet. Okay, repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, okay, that was the whole alphabet. Perfect. Now we're gonna learn the syllables. Okay, just repeat after me. Okay, ready? Okay, first one. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Very good. Okay, next one. Ka, se, si, ko, ku. Perfect. Next one. Da, de, di, do, do. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Next one we have ha, he, he, ho, hu. Okay, next one. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Next one. So this one's going to be with H, but the H is always going to be silent at the beginning of a word. So it's going to be a, e, I, o, u. Okay, next one we have ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Perfect. Next one we have la, le, li, lo, lu. And last one for today is going to be ya, ye, ji, yo, and you. Perfect, very good. Now, practice time. Take to the. What sound does this syllable make? Ki. Ki like kilo. That means kilo. Next one. What sound does this syllable make? Ja. Ja like llama. That means llama. Okay, next one. What about this one? This one's gonna be ka like cafe. That means brown. Very good. Ready. Next one's gonna be this one. This one is gonna be se. Se like cebolla. That means onion. And finally, we have this one. What do you think? This one is going to be he. He like hen. That means gin. Perfect. Good job. That was amazing. Today, you learned all the vowels in half of the alphabet in Spanish. So remember to memorize these sounds, to memorize all the new vowels, and remember to check out the highlights in the PDF. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye. Adios.